Hi everybody, this is Miss Ashley from the Fibo Art Academy studio at Teston. I just want you guys to know that I miss you and I hope you guys are staying happy and healthy at home. For our project today for Little Picasso, we are learning about the artist named John William Waterhouse. Now, John William Waterhouse was a painter and he's known for painting a woman in a boat. So because Waterhouse painted a woman in a boat, we're going to be painting our own woman in a boat. And you'll be able to choose what design you want on your boat, as well as what kind of hair you want. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. We're first going to draw a circle almost to the top of the paper. And then underneath that circle, about half your pinky height, you are going to draw a straight line. We're first going to be drawing the neck of our woman. You're going to go underneath the circle and you're going to draw 2 straight lines. Once you have finished those 2 straight lines, you're going to draw a stretched out U to connect those 2 lines. On the left side of the neck, we're going to draw a curved line going down to the line. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the neck. We're going to be drawing 2 more straight lines above the line we created earlier. 1 straight line, 2 straight lines. We're going to give our woman 2 ears, one on the left by drawing a regular C, and on the right side a backwards C. We're now going to draw our woman's mouth. Draw an eye. And then we're going to draw a baby rainbow for the nose and a stretched out U for the smile. Now you have the choice of drawing any kind of hair that you want. I'm going to be drawing a curved line from the top of the head to the ear, doing the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to draw from the left to the right ear a rainbow for the headband. We're going to go to the top of the head and draw wavy lines all the way down to our line. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to start at the left of our line. We're going to draw a curved line going in. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. Another curved line. This is going to be our boat. We're going to draw a line connecting to the left to the right. And then we're going to draw a straight line from the left going off the page. And we're going to hop to the right side and draw another straight line going off the page. We're going to be drawing 2 clouds. And how to draw these clouds, you're going to start with a rainbow curve, a backwards C, a smile, and a regular C. And we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Rainbow, backwards C, smile, and a regular C. On each side of the boat, we're going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to get creative. We're going to design our cloth that's hanging from the boat. So first thing we need to do is draw a really big stretched out U from the left to the right side of the boat. And inside, you're going to decide what kind of shapes you want. Maybe you want triangles, maybe you want circles, maybe you want zigzags. It's up to you what you want for your creativity on this cloth. I'm going to be drawing triangles. When you're done with that, you're gonna now take out your Sharpie. Now remember, we need to put that cap on the back, and we're gonna hold low and go slow. But, my friends, let me tell you something. We are not going to be outlining the clouds and the grass on the water. Everything else you are going to outline. Don't forget to fill in those eyes. All right, we're now going to take our eraser and erase any pencil lines that we see. All right, we're going to put that eraser away. The first thing we're going to use is our Mr. Sketch markers. We are first going to be coloring the hair. Now you may choose any realistic hair color, which is red, yellow, brown, or black. I'm going to choose brown. I'm going to put that cap on the back. I'm going to outline my hair. But I know what it is. Okay. Now we're going to fill in our hair with those long strokes. Now I'm going to be coloring my headband orange. Now we're going to color the shirt. I'm going to use the darker pink. I'm going to put that cap on the back, outline, and fill it in. We're now going to color the boat. You're going to take your brown marker. You're going to outline the boat. Make sure not to color over your creativity. I'm going to fill it in. Give it nice long strokes. Now we're going to be coloring our creativity. You may choose up to 3 different colors. I'm going to choose yellow first. I'm going to outline my cloth. I'm going to fill it in again with those long strokes, making sure my cap is still on the back. I'm going to choose purple for some of the triangles. And light green. This is our last step with our Mr. Sketch markers, so we can go ahead and put those away. And we're now going to be taking out our oil pastels, and those are in the white box. The first color we're going to use is either tan or brown. We're first going to hold it like a crayon. We're going to color the ears and the neck. Next, we're going to hold it on its side, and we're going to pinch and pull on our girl's face. We're then going to take light blue, and we're going to outline our clouds. But don't fill in the clouds. You're going to take your green, and on each side you're going to color two. You're going to go over 2 of the lines on each side. I'm skipping every other line. Once you're done with your green, you're going to take your light green and you're going to do the same thing to the other lines. Next, you're going to take your blue, and this time we're going to draw short horizontal lines, side to side, on our water. This is our last step with our oil pastels, so we can go ahead and put those away, and we're going to move on to watercolors. If you don't have any watercolors at home, you can use chalk pastel. All right. We're first going to color our girl's face. You're going to dip your brush in the water, wipe it, and you're going to pat your yellow, orange, 1, 2, 3. Need a little bit more paint, 1, 2, 3. And you're very gently gonna go over your girl's face. Not the ears and not the neck, only her face. And wipe your brush, make sure there's no paint left on it. And we're going to move on to the sky. You may choose any shade of blue, so you can choose light blue, dark blue, blue-green. So I'm going to choose my favorite, the turquoise blue, which is the light blue. I'm going to pat 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to paint in long strokes, top to bottom. Dip white, 1, 2, 3, long strokes. I'm really using those long strokes to spread out my paint. And it's okay if you go over your clouds. Make sure you get any white spots. When you're done with your sky, you're going to make sure to clean off your brush. And this time, for our final step, we're going to be painting our water. Now, we're going to choose a different blue than we did for our sky. So because I used turquoise for my sky, I'm going to go for either a dark blue or blue-green. I'm going to go for regular blue. Dip 1, 2, 3, and you're painting those long strokes. Dip white, 1, 2, 3. And here we have our picture inspired by William Waterhouse. What do you like about your picture? Do you like your creativity, the girl you drew, maybe the water and the clouds? Let us know in the comments below.